Getting into birdwatching is exciting, but figuring out how to actually attract birds and keep them coming back can feel a little overwhelming. You set up a feeder, wait, and wonder if you're doing it right. That's where smart bird feeders come in. They don't just hold seed. They help you see who's visiting, identify different birds, and turn your backyard into something way more fun and interactive. Some even send alerts straight to your phone when a bird shows up. So in this video, I'm breaking down the 7 best smart bird feeders. Whether you're brand new to bird feeding or want a smarter way to enjoy it, these feeders make connecting with your feathered visitors way more exciting. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these bird feeders aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Soliome Solar Bird Feeder. This is the most budget-friendly bird feeder on our list. This bird feeder is a tough one because it has a metal body, so squirrels can't chew through it. And the metal body also means it can handle rain, sun, or snow quite efficiently. The seed tank holds about 1.6 liters, which is way more than most feeders, and it's easy to refill. It has a 2K HD camera that sends instant alerts to your phone when birds land. There's even a 1-month free trial of AI that can identify over 10,000 bird species. So whether you're just starting or trying to teach kids about wildlife, this feeder turns your yard into a little bird classroom. You're also going to have a solar panel that keeps the battery charged. Plus, it has a 72-hour backup just in case. You can mount it on a pole, a wall, or a tree. The app lets you watch live, store videos on the cloud, and share clips with family or friends. Overall, the Soliome Solar Bird Feeder is a durable, smart, all-weather feeder that makes backyard birdwatching fun and completely hands-off activity. Number 6 is the BirdFi Hum Feeder Duo. This is the best dual-chamber smart bird feeder on our list. If you like hummingbirds, you're gonna love this feeder. It comes with 2 2K HD cameras, one front and one side, so you can catch every angle of those tiny, fast wings. The AI in the BirdFi app can identify different hummingbirds, send instant notifications when they visit, and even let you interact live. This little device makes watching hummingbirds feel like a real-time experience, even if you're at work or just chilling inside. It has a simple setup. Just charge it, mount it with the included hook or bracket, fill the 20-ounce nectar bottle, connect to the BirdFi app, and you're good. And the cleaning is simple too. It has a detachable base. It even comes with brushes and the anti-moat that keeps pests away. Plus, the whole system is weatherproof and works in a wide temperature range, so it can handle the elements. And you can also share your live feed with over 20 people or join the BirdFi bird-loving community. Overall, the BirdFi Hum Feeder Duo is a smart, interactive, and easy way to watch and learn about hummingbirds from multiple angles right from your backyard. Number 5 is the BirdBuddy Piro Solar Smart Bird Feeder. This is the best solar-powered smart bird feeder on our list. This little gadget can turn your backyard into a live bird show. It has a 5-megapixel camera and shoots 2K HD video with HDR, plus slow motion so you can catch birds mid-flight. The AI in the BirdBuddy app even identifies the birds and sends instant alerts when visitors show up. You can also track health signs and spot other animal visitors. It's like having a tiny nature lab at home. And the setup is easy. Charge the camera, connect it to the app via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, mount it on a pole or hang it from a branch, fill it with seed, and you're ready. The solar panels keep it charged so you don't have to worry about batteries. And it also respects privacy since the camera only focuses on the feeder, not your yard. Plus, you can share the live stream or photos with friends and family, which is a great way to include everyone in the fun. Overall, the BirdBuddy Pro Solar Smart Bird Feeder is an interactive way to watch backyard birds without ever missing a moment. Number 4 is the FeatherSnap Smart Bird Feeder. This is the best app-connected bird feeder on our list. This smart bird feeder has a 2K camera that captures birds in crisp detail, whether it's day or night. The AI can identify the species for you, which is perfect if you want to learn more about who's visiting. It has 2 big seed bins and an adjustable perch, so more types of birds can comfortably stop by. It has a solar-powered roof that keeps it running all the time, and the Wi-Fi connection is strong enough that you can watch from pretty much anywhere. You can mount it on a pole, a wall, or a tree without any problem. And cleaning is simple too, with warm water and mild soap. It's also connected with an app that adds even more fun. It lets you track bird behavior, share clips with friends, and even play mini games or win rewards if you opt for the subscription. Overall, the Smart Bird Feeder is a hands-off way to enjoy backyard birds, learn their species, and share every visit instantly with family or friends. And if you want to know the latest prices for the bird feeders discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Richbird Upgraded Smart Bird Feeder. This is the best value smart bird feeder on our list. This smart bird feeder has 4-megapixel HD camera that streams video straight to your phone. You're also going to have instant notifications on your phone every time a bird lands. As for the setup, it's quick and simple. Just attach the perch and roof, fill the 2-liter seed container, add the feeder to the CoolFly app, and mount it in your backyard. The solar panel and 4,400 mAh battery keep it running without you ever worrying about charging. Plus, it's weatherproof, so rain, snow, or heat won't slow it down. You can also invite up to 5 people to watch live at the same time, or more if you subscribe. It has a wide mouth opening that makes refilling easy. And if squirrels show up, you can use the two-way audio or alert sounds to keep them away. Our car puts it as, this feeder is an easy setup and is sure to bring hours and hours of enjoyable birdwatching. The feeder, camera, solar panel, and components are all well made for the elements. The app is easy to download, and the feed view is shareable with friends. Overall, this smart bird feeder is an easy-to-use and interactive way to watch and learn about backyard birds in real time. Number 2 is the Harry Moore Bird Feeder. This is the runner-up smart bird feeder on our list. If you want a simple way to watch birds up close without spending a ton, this one's pretty nice. It has a 2K HD camera with a 120-degree wide-angle lens and 3 times magnification. So you can see the colorful feathers of birds like bluebirds and hummingbirds in real detail. The AI can identify over 10,000 bird species, which makes every visit feel like a mini wildlife lesson. The feeder will also send instant alerts to your phone whenever a bird shows up, and you can watch live or save videos in the app. The 2-liter large-capacity seed container means less refilling. And the IP65 waterproof design keeps seeds dry even in the rain. It runs on a 5,200 mAh battery and comes with dual solar panels, so you won't need to charge it constantly. Plus, the metal mounting bracket is sturdier than most plastic ones. You can mount it on a pole or hook it with the included hardware. Overall, the Harry Moore Bird Feeder is a budget-friendly and smart way to enjoy birdwatching and learning about each visitor. Number 1 is the Birdfy Feeder 2 Pro. This is the best overall smart bird feeder on our list. This bird feeder has a dual-lens camera setup. One of them gives you a wide view of your backyard, while the other zooms in close. So you can see every feather in amazing detail. And just like other bird feeders on our list, it doesn't just record, it uses AI to identify the bird species automatically, so you learn who's visiting you. The feeder is also solar-powered, with a battery backup, so it keeps working whether it rains or shines. And the refilling is simple. Just open the lid and pour in the seed. It holds about 40 ounces, which is plenty for regular visits. The Birdfy app is easy to use. You get live streaming, weekly highlights, free cloud storage, and even the ability to share moments with friends or family. Plus, you're also going to have 24/7 support and a 2-year warranty, so you're covered if anything goes wrong. Nehemiah wrote, "I've had a Birdfy feeder for nearly 3 years and have enjoyed it immensely. This model is a nice upgrade, particularly the clarity of the video. It's also shaped in a way that makes it easy to add birdseed. It also comes with its own solar charging station. All in all, I'm pretty happy with this feeder." Overall, the Birdfy Feeder 2 Pro is a smart, hassle-free way to bring your backyard to life and experience birds up close like never before. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect smart bird feeder. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each smart bird feeder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.